Hello, friends. Welcome to the show HR by Nature, where we talk to people and take the opinion mostly on the HR angle. Today, our guest is Dr. Sriharsha AHR. Some people bring happiness wherever they go, while some people bring happiness whenever they go. Dr. Achar certainly belongs to the first category. History suggests that every time he has joined any organization, the employees have felt, the employee and the organization have felt great about themselves by the policies that he has implemented. Whenever he has left the organization, employees and the organization have badly missed him. Currently, he is President, Human Resources at SDFC Ergo General Insurance. Welcome to the show, Dr. Achar.
Hi, thank you, Mayank. Good initiative.
Thank you so much, sir. Most welcome on the show.
हाँ जी बताएं.
Sir, so it's been more than 40 days of the lockdown and the organizations are working from home. How are you dealing with it?
Well, this is the world's largest remote working experiment,
Right.
and I think it has become a huge success.
Home.
I'm saying it has become a huge success because in today's context, you are working at home and working from home, doing both the things.
Right.
Normal circumstances, if you were working from home, then you would have only worked from home. The homework would have been done by somebody else. But in
Right.
today's context, you are doing work at home, you are at home and trying to work for office.
Right.
So it was, I think, initially it was a little bit of a funny set of circumstances. Subsequently, the truth dawned upon everybody, and then they started taking things more seriously. And I think over the last 40 days, we seem to have perfected it.
Right. So how are you dealing on it on the personal basis? Because you're not allowed to go out.
That's true. That's true. But I mean, particularly with senior people, the issue is that you काम खत्म ही नहीं होता. So you just
Right.
keep working. They say ना accountant हर समय बोलता है my job starts at 9 a.m. and never ends. वैसे हो गया खास करके middle to senior level people are facing that कि काम सुबह 8-9 बजे शुरू होता है और खत्म ही नहीं होता. I've been talking to a myriad of people across diverse industries और सबका यही इशू है कि सुबह सुबह जल्दी उठ बैठ के झाड़ू पोछा करके जो उनकी अपनी जिम्मेदारियां निभानी होती हैं घर पे निभा के फिर बैठ जाओ सिस्टम पे और शाम रात तक जब तक आज के दिन में what is happening is you're not even able to say no to anything because everybody knows you're at home.
Right. You
So I was
cannot
just
go outside.
talking to my group the other day and saying if X person has left the office at 6 o'clock and you call him at 6:15 and you ask him, भाई तू कहाँ है? बोले सर मैंने ऑफिस से तो निकल गया. Then automatically the work would have moved to the next day कि सुबह सुबह चल मिलते हैं काम करते हैं इस पे. But in today's context, there is no need to ask कहाँ है. They know तू घर पे है. तो ये भी दे दे वो भी दे दे करके चलता रहता है. So I think we honestly speaking the 2-3 hours of travel that used to be there is not there, but instead of that work has occupied that time.
Right.
So 9 hours का 12 घंटे तो easily बन गया है with some breaks somewhere. So I think we have become more productive, if I may say that.
More time means more productive. Putting in more.
Yeah,
That's
more time is equal to more work. Whether we have become
yeah.
more productive is a question. We don't know.
Right. Right. So, sir, how do you engage your employees in this lockdown? Because they all have their energy. That has to be evaporated. That has to be channelized also. So, how do
Yeah.
you manage that?
See, one of the things that happened initially was the fact that IT departments had to scramble to get people ready to work from home, and this
Right.
was a never ever faced before situation. So I think all organizations or most organizations were caught unawares. So it took almost 6-7 days to make sure that everybody was technologically enabled. Fortunately, in our organization, the HR team, 99 out of 100 had laptops. So immediately we were able to kind of jump into action. So a lot of engagement activities started. And one of the first things that we did is over a period of 6-7 days, we reached everybody by phone. All the 10,000 employees were called by one or the other HR person. Even I got a call from my HR team. My CEO got a call from my HR team. And they were very happy that we were able to reach all the 100 people. More from the point of view of finding out कि सब ठीक है कि नहीं.
Right.
There were many
Right.
employees who had got stuck in Delhi. So we helped a few employees get to Meerut, get to Noida, get to Muzaffarnagar, get to Muzaffar, and all those kinds of places. Then there were a few employees, families who got infected with COVID. There was at least one accident that happened in the meanwhile. So HR was there all over the place. So we started something called Project 21. So every day used to be a new contest. आज खाना बनाने का, कल कुछ और करने का, परसों आर्ट का, नरसों क्राफ्ट का. We started
That's
playing games, virtual संवाद. ब्रांच मीटिंग्स तो होती नहीं थी, तो वर्चुअल संवाद शुरू हो गया. So over these 40 days, I think we have also perfected the video कॉलिंग. तो आगे चल के इंटरव्यूज भी ऐसे ही होंगे मेरे ख्याल से. और बंदा ज्वाइन भी कर लेगा. So there are so many things that have happened. So we have kept in touch. काफी सारी ट्रेनिंग करी. As you are aware, we are in the middle of a merger. तो मोटर वाले हेल्थ सीख रहे थे, हेल्थ वाले मोटर सीख रहे हैं.
right.
And
Right.
developmental programs also opened up. I don't know if people have found the time to go through them, but I think many people have made use of the links that we have circulated in order to learn something new. So about 60-70% must have learned something new. I wouldn't be pompous and say 100% ने कर लिया ना. कुछ
Right.
कमियां जरूर रह गई होंगी कहीं ना कहीं.
Right. So what I understand from you is that initially the IT people emerged as heroes once it all started, and then came the HR team, wherein the HR team had an added responsibility of not even managing their work, but also engaging the employees.
Correct. Now, while these guys were the facilitators, I think the heroes at the end of the day are the people who are actually sitting at home and delivering whatever was supposed to be delivered.
Right.
So we were like, shots in the pan. ठक 2 बारी हो गया. उसके बाद तो उनको ही संभालना था. काम संभाले हुए हैं घर से. कॉल सेंटर भी घर से चल रहा है.
Right.
सर्विसिंग भी घर से हो रही है. So all those people in the front line are the heroes.
Yes.
Or ninjas. COVID ninjas.
Right. The COVID ninja. That's a nice word I can learn today. Right. So, sir, this brings me to the next question. That what do you think the future of insurance? Keeping in mind the current scenario, and we understand that it will take a turn from here. The entire game will take a turn from here.
True. I think health insurance is going to become more and more important. All these years, health insurance used to be a push product. It will now probably be a pull product. And with the kind of scenario that is emerging and with the kind of protocols that we are supposed to be taking, sitting in your house and trying to sell insurance over a cup of coffee and a plate of samosa is going to change. So it's all going to be virtual, and people have to be convinced virtually. People will be doing their dealings virtually. See, property is there. It will have to be insured. गाड़ियां तो चलने लगेंगी थोड़े दिनों बाद. They will have to be insured. आदमी भी बाहर आएगा तो he will have to be insured. तो इंश्योरेंस कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. इंश्योरेंस तो होगा, but the mode डिजिटल हो जाएगा ज्यादातर. 90% or 80% of it will be digital, unlike the past wherein 20 or 30% used to be the digital. So people will have to get digitally savvy. मैं जाके इंश्योरेंस ऑफिस में जाके चेक दे के आऊंगा, ये सब कम होते जाएगा. And we will have to sit at home and use the links and use the digital payment gateways to make sure that our payments are done in time. So insurance has taken a little bit of a beating. Instead of 100% business being there in April, it's probably about 70-80%. Probably first quarter will be light, and then second quarter onwards again the curve will rise. And I think that's going to be true for many other businesses, except perhaps for travel, entertainment, hotels. Which else?
Any luxury business.
Automotive industry. All these may take more time to come up.
Right. So another question related to this. What do you think is this COVID will have a effect on the economy, the global economy and the national economy? And how I mean, how long will it hurt us, and by when do you expect the economy to be back on track?
पिटेगा तो सही. पिट भी रहा है, and you are already seeing the way in which consumers have started acting and reacting.
Right.
So if you see in today's context, the two major casualties are economy and livelihood.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes, of
And
course.
but the good news is that less number of people are sick. कोविड को छोड़ दो तो कोई और बीमार नहीं हो रहा है, इसका मतलब है स्ट्रेस कम हुआ है,
Right.
पोल्यूशन कम हुआ है, सांस हम लेना चाहते हैं लेकिन मास्क पहनना पड़ रहा है,
Right.
सड़कें खाली है लेकिन गाड़ी नहीं चला पा रहे हैं,
Right.
पैसे हैं लेकिन कुछ खरीद नहीं पा रहे हैं, और
Right.
जिनके पास पैसे हैं वो अर्न नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, है ना?
Correct. Right.
जंक फूड नहीं खा रहे लोग,
But that is a positive side of it, of course.
मिनिमलिस्टिक लिविंग कर रहे हैं हम सब.
Right.
टुडे नो ड्राइवर, नो मेड, नो डॉग वॉकर, नो नोबडी, नो इस्त्री वाला भी नहीं है, हम खुद कर रहे हैं
Right.
इस्त्री घर पे,
Right.
है ना?
Right.
गनीमत है लाइट नहीं जाती.
हाँ, इस्त्री की उतनी ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं पड़ती क्योंकि आजकल बाहर नहीं जाना होता.
पॉलिटिक्स भी कम हो गया है,
Yes.
सबका फोकस कोविड पे है और अपनी जान पे है,
Right. Right.
है ना? तो देयर इज
Right.
लेस पॉलिटिक्स,
So this is
क्रिएटिविटी
more,
बढ़ गया है,
of course.
क्रिएटिविटी बढ़ गया है. Nobody ever
Right.
thought there could be a virtual concert.
Right.
आज रात को है वर्चुअल कॉन्सर्ट, सब अपने अपने घर में है लेकिन पूरी दुनिया को अपने गाना सुना रहे हैं, है ना? So economy has come down, and anything that comes down has to go up. Like anything
Right.
that goes up has to come down, as per Einstein, है ना?
Right. 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 So it will take some time, of course.
It will take some time. I think first quarter is going to be a complete washout. Second quarter it will start. So April, May, June तो गया. July, August, September 15-20% recovery. October, November, December 50% recovery. January, February, March 75% recovery. And first quarter of 21-22 will finally be the final recovery. So 1 year from now will be the 100% recovery. That's my prediction.
Okay. So after a year or so, you mean to say that things will come on track. So that will take another year or so.
Absolutely 1 year, and the way we will work will also be completely different. I mean, I will never be able to recognize you on the road because you will be behind a mask.
Right.
Unless you tell me, sir, मैं मयांक हूँ, and then put your mask back, मैं पहचान नहीं पाऊंगा. ऑफिस के अंदर भी we will have to wear masks. We will have to stay away from each other. We are social animals. It all depends how you and I are going to be customizing ourselves to these new procedures and protocols that we will have to follow for at least next 1.5 years.
In fact, that we are already accustomed to few things as of now, that we are not shaking hands with each other. In fact, it's already in the mind that we are not shaking hands. It's naturally it's not coming in, and we are not touching each other. So few things we are already accustomed to. So once we go out, then also I think these things will there in our mind.
That is true. That is true. I mean, you can do it for yourself, but you can't. You don't know what the other guy is going to do. It is like driving the car. You can be safe, but you never know तेरे आगे और पीछे जो है वो क्या कर रहे हैं.
Of course. But at least we will not do that mistake because it's already in the mind as of now. It's been 40 days. So 40 days we have been practicing that. So it's already in the subconscious mind, I think so.
So that's, right, sir. If that answers your question, yeah, economy pretty हुई है लेकिन नीचे गई है तो ऊपर भी आएगा.
Right, sir. So, sir, coming back to the organization, what do you think are the expectation of the employees from the organization, and how is the organization or the HR team is catering to those expectations?
Expectations are in terms of appreciating the fact that all of us are in the same storm.
Right.
But we are in different boats. So what applies for me will not apply for you.
Right.
Employees also want to be appreciated that the way you cope with the crisis and the way I cope with crisis is different.
Right.
I cannot be saying the way you are coping is right or wrong. There is no right or wrong here. 3, the employee wants a feeling that the organization is taking due care of him and his family. So as a policy, we have paid salary on the 22nd or 23rd of March. We paid it on 24th or 25th of May, and even April, and even in May we are paying early. So physical well-being, emotional well-being, and financial well-being. If these 3 things are taken care of by the organization, then the employee should be able to pass this phase and maintain his or her sanity. That's my view. So that is the reason why we contacted every single person. उससे ये पूछना कि भाई ठीक हो, अकेले हो, दुकेले हो, कोई साथ में है, नहीं है. Lot of our employees have got caught in their cities. छुट्टियों के टाइम था, बीवी बच्चे बाहर गए थे, वापस टाइम पे नहीं पहुंच पाए, और वो वहां फंसे हुए हैं, ये यहाँ फंसा हुआ है. And living alone is a difficult proposition in today's context. Even with so many people in the house, आदमी पागल हो रहा है, तो बिना किसी के तो देख लो क्या हो सकता है.
Right.
तो उससे पूछा गया सामान है, नहीं है, कितने दिनों तक है, पैसे चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, कोई एडवांस चाहिए, पीएफ से विड्रॉ करना है. ये सवालों के लिए उनसे बात करी. काम के मामले में कोई बात नहीं करी, बट एवरीबॉडी इज वर्किंग. देयर इज नो इशू ऑन दैट. वी हैव आल्सो, आई थिंक मेनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इंक्लूडिंग आवर्स हैव अलाउड पीपल टू यूज देयर पर्सनल सिस्टम्स आल्सो. तो उससे भी काफी हद तक जो है पीपल हैव बीन टेक्नोलॉजिकली एनेबल्ड. एज आई सेड, इट इज एन एक्सपेरिमेंट. हर चीज जायज है इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में.
Right.
Like now there is a race for the vaccine. Even US FDA is giving early approvals for trials. तो हर चीज ट्राई कर रहे हैं. एंड जो कट्टरवादी थे वर्क फ्रॉम होम के विचार में, वो भी आजकल बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ वर्क फ्रॉम होम सही है. पर कहां तक चलेगा, कब तक चलेगा, हाउ इट विल वर्क आउट, और दिस ओनली टाइम विल टेल. आई मीन एवरीबॉडी कैन नॉट बी जंपिंग ऑन टू द बैंडवैगन. टीसीएस ने बोल दिया कि 2025 तक हम कर लेंगे, तो यू शुड नॉट बी इन अ कंपटीशन कि हम 2024 में ही कर लेंगे.
Right. We never know that till how this is going to long, or this till when it is going to last. Right, sir. I understand that. So my last question to you is, sir, what message do you want to give to all the employees?
Message to all employees is hang in there. Red, blue, green has started, or green, orange, red has started. And we're hoping that more red will become more orange, and more oranges will become green over the next few weeks. World over, it's going to take 90 to 120 days for this to come to a control. अभी तो 40 दिन हुए हैं. So it will take us at least another 40 to 45 days for this to come under control, and then we have to be in control ourselves. So just because the market's open, I mean, मुझे घूमने जाना है, मुझे आइसक्रीम खाना है, मुझे पानी पूरी खाना है, ठेले पे जाना है, ये ना करके we have to maintain those protocols. Office से घर, घर से office. Don't take any deviation, because you never know what is lurking where. And abundant caution. I'm sure organizations are also going to take a lot of caution. So caution, caution, caution. ये 3 चीज ही चलेगी.
I'll try and remember all 3. Caution, caution, and caution.
Or I was on a call this morning with a number of other people, including our branch managers. मैंने बोला, remember the quintessential सास बहू serial. उसमें क्या होता है? एक वर्ड को 3 बार ही बोलते हैं. तो मैंने भी थोड़ा ड्रामेटाइज किया, बोला caution, caution, caution. याद रहे. कल को ब्रांच खोलने जाएगा तो याद रहे, भाई आचार्य सर ने बोला था कॉशन कॉशन कॉशन. इधर उधर देखो, कोई बिना मास्क के तो नहीं है, मैं तो ठीक हूँ, थर्मल चेक ले लो, दरवाजा बंद रखो, दूर रहो लोगों से, है ना. क्या परिस्थिति आ गई है. The world wants to be closer, but now we are forced to be away.
Right.
I was just writing something. सब कुछ है पर कुछ नहीं है. दुनिया कुछ इस तरह थम गई है.
सब कुछ है पर कुछ नहीं है, दुनिया कुछ इस तरह थम गई है. Right, sir.
So
Right, sir.
abundant caution is the only message I have. I mean, don't lose your sanity. Be happy. Be happy that you are still alive. Alibaba वाले ने बोला था कल
Right.
कि 2020 is a washout. Just be happy that you are alive. You can always rebuild.
Right.
So धीरज रखें. उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है.
Yes, we've just entered into the 5th month, so still few months to go to end this year, 2020. So I think a long way to go as of now. Right, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for such an
Raya.
insightful interview.
Thanks for
Thank you,
facilitating it.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, friends, for watching us. I'll soon be
Cheers.
back with another personality. Till then, namaste.
Namaskar.